The cow?
Name's Onyalang.
Say it one more time.
Onyalang.
That's a hard thing to say.
Onyalang.
He's a good working cow.
Wish I could let you go play.
Cow.
Does he get out? Does he get to run around?
Huh?
Does he run around sometimes?
Cow?
Yes, I would.
What is the hump on his back?
This is like different cow.
Different kind of cow. Yes.
Yeah, male and female.
Okay.
This is the male.
Okay. I didn't know that.
Female, no, both.
Okay. So the cow is he's working with the mortar and pestle to actually grind the peanuts and the sesame to make the peanut sesame oil. And that's his job. Yes.
This is the cow's name Onyalang.
Orlela.
Onyalang.
Orella.
Yeah, and movie star.
Movie star?
Yeah.
Old Yeller. Oh, Old Yeller. Okay, I understand.
I'd rather finish.
Uh-huh. So here, they're actually showing how they get the palm oil from the palm trees all the way up there. And then they have these little containers that you, that drip, the palm sugar is dripping inside those little containers. Yes. So we just stopped here on our way to Mount Popa.